next up is SNDL or Sundial. I have my lines and graphs already set. We're starting from a higher time frame, that being the daily interval. This allows us to find our targets, our entries, our support and resistance lines, and all this good stuff. Okay, so yesterday we closed around almost 2% or down almost 2%, forgive me, and now we're up almost 2% this morning. Okay, so let's go into what these lines represent for our new viewers so they're not confused. This top line is our major resistance line. You can see that we were rejected over here, and on the opposite side it was working as a support. You can see we bounced off of this level and over here, and back underneath down here, you guys, this bottom line is our major support line. You can see that we had resistance over here, over here, and on the opposite side as a support. You can see we bounced off of this level and back closer to where we're at. You can see that we kind of chopped around over here for a few days until we finally broke underneath. We tried to create a breakout to come back up and create a reversal, an upward trend. However, we got rejected and ultimately created this new low over here. And what I mean by new low, you guys, because I had somebody say, oh, I didn't create a new low, blah, blah, blah. I'm talking about in this previous time, okay? As what we can see right here, this has broken a new low, okay? So don't tell me what I can and can't see, okay? This is why I make the videos and you guys watch. All right. So what we want to see is this to break above this resistance line and to come up and come back down and retest this as a support level at the 80 cent. Okay, so at the 80 cent could be an ideal entry back on that support. If we don't break back above this resistance, you guys, because this can come back up, test this resistance and get rejected and pulled back down all the way down to our next level of support, which is at the 40 cent area, you guys. So that's a big difference. That's a big drop. You don't want to be bag holding that, because especially with this being a penny stock, that can really devastate your account. So just keep that in mind. We always want to protect our assets as much as possible. I am so tired of getting emails stating that you guys are down thousands of dollars or hundreds of dollars, when in reality, if you don't know how to trade, you shouldn't be risking more than $10 or $20 per trade. Okay, so let that sink in. Okay, to be honest, you shouldn't be really taking those big risks unless you've been doing this at least 3 to 5 years. Okay, that's the experience that you need to actually be a successful trader. That doesn't mean that you can't make successful trades, but with you taking those big losses like that, you'll never get ahead. Okay, so that's why I'm here to always, and I say it every video, you guys, you need stop loss, you need stop loss, you need stop loss, you need stop loss. I don't know how many times I have to tell you guys. And then don't let those little kids tell you diamond hand apes, blah blah blah. They won't be around for a long time. Okay, they'll get into the game. Those little kids jump in the game, they like to gamble, they lose all their money, and then they disappear, they hop off, and they never go back to trading ever again. So don't ever listen to those little kids. Okay, but what we're looking for, I'm sorry I'm rambling, you guys, I apologize. But what we're looking for, like I said, was for us to break above this 82 or 80 cent level, you guys. If we can break above that and retest this level as a support, then that could be ideal entry. Have your stop loss back underneath, maybe at the 74 cent area. And if we do break below that and we get tagged out, we know we have to wait for that better entry, and that being back at the 44 cent area. So we have to wait and see if we can break past this resistance. And if we do, and you guys get tagged in, your first target should be around the dollar area. And then your second target being back at the highest previous point at the $1.73. Okay, so if this video helped in any type of way, you guys, please hit that like and subscribe button. It allows me to create this content for you guys Monday through Friday. But other than that, I hope you guys have a beautiful day and happy trading.